The following instructional video will review how to submit your Erie 1 School Library System monthly interlibrary loan stats to the WNY SLS website. Submission of statistics is a requirement of membership in the school library system. However, those who exclusively use just the Opels-Bacon Union Catalog for tracking all interlibrary loans need only to add any monthly items that are separate from the Union Catalog itself. Examples are building-to-building ILLs that are done within your individual circulation system, those tracked through email, phone, etc. If everything is done through the Opels-Bacon Union Catalog, you do not need to submit monthly stats. They will be gathered by the School Library System office when needed. Exclusive use of the Union only for ILL tracking will keep track of loans, renewals, as well as unfilled items. Individual schools meeting all those criteria listed do not need to view the remainder of this video training. For all of the remaining schools, to submit your monthly stats to the Erie 1 School Library System office, first, gather your stats prior to filling out the form. Remember to consider not only your individual circulation system statistics, but written logs, email, and/or phone lending as well. You will need to submit not only a count of items loaned, but items that you were unable to supply to other schools. Example, unfilled and currently pending items. Which is why it is important to track email and phone communications for those items that you were unable to assist with at the time of the request. Access the Erie 1 WNY SLS website by logging into https://WNYSLS.org. Please make sure this is the only site you are using for submission of stats and that it is the most up-to-date version. In the middle of the page, click the large Login button. If you have logged in before, it may have remembered you were in previously and will instead display a login and password area with some pre-filled information, as well as a Forgot Password button, should you need to reset your password. If you click on the large Login button, it will take you to the same login and password display as discussed a moment ago, where again you can click Forgot Password in case you need to have that reset. Once logged in, scroll down to the Tools and Information area, where you will see various tasks available to your permission level. Look for the ILL Statistics icon, a 3-directional arrow, and then click that icon. Once in the ILL Statistics page, you will see a menu to the left with 3 options: ILL Submissions, ILL Policies, and an ILL Submission Form. The ILL Submissions is where you can see if you have already submitted statistics, or someone did them for you already this month, as well as review past submissions. The ILL Policies are those provided by the SLS office, and the submission form is where you enter this month's statistics. When using the ILL submission form, it is very important to take note that the form will default to today's month and year based on your computer. If, say, you are entering ILL statistics for the month of August 2021, and it is now September 5th, 2021, the form will say that you are entering data for September, which, of course, you are not. Therefore, select the proper drop-down month and year prior to the completion of the form, and please double check again when submitting. Now, choose your district and building from the second level drop-downs, then simply enter the information you have collected. When you are satisfied as to your data to be submitted, you can then click the Confirm button to the lower right. You will then see a pop-up stating your stats have been received, and you will also receive an email to your email address on file confirming completion of the data choreography to the WNY SLS site. Please remember to use the upper right icon to log out when done. If you realize after the fact that the data was incorrect for any reason, you may email the SLS office secretary, who will forward the modification request or deletion of that data to the proper tech support personnel. They will either edit the error for you or delete the information in its entirety so you can resubmit it when you are notified. This concludes the instructional video on how to submit your monthly interlibrary loan statistics to the WNY SLS Erie 1 website. Should you have any other further questions or concerns, please reach out to the SLS office. Thank you for the privilege of your time.